with all them old problems, get it. I'm not. Long as you joking that way for me, I ain't got it. I 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 got it.
Hey y'all, I'm Kenzie Ray. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did this easy no leave out look using hair from ISEE Hair. But first, let's get into how beautiful their packaging is. I love me a nicely packaged wig. I feel like it just really sets the tone for what to expect from the hair. They also sent over a few goodies like this sleep mask, this bonnet, a few pairs of lashes, and an elastic band. The hair that I got is the VPart Kinky Curly wig in 20 inches, and the quality was so nice, y'all, and I loved how defined the curls came. Like, you can literally just throw this on and it's ready to go. It also came with lots of clips for security, which is always a plus. It also has combs and an adjustable strap. The hair was super soft and I was excited to get this on my head. Y'all, please don't come for me for my braids. I've had these braids in for like 2 weeks now, so we just gonna slap this wig right over the braid. I just opened up all of the clips and I'm placing this like right behind where my hair is parted, and since my hair is kind of puffed up, I just kind of laid my hair down a little bit and just secured the wig. So since we are doing the crochet method, you do just want to make sure that you're a little bit away from your part so that you have enough space to slide the crochet needle underneath your hair and pull hair through. So this is how my hair is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my crochet needle or crochet hook, whatever you guys like to call it, and I'm just taking like a pinch of hair from the very tip of the wig, and I'm gonna slide my crochet needle underneath my hair, latch on the wig hair, and just pull it through. So it's a super easy process. Personally, I love doing this because I don't have to worry about blending my hair, and I don't have to worry about like damaging my hair, anything like that. This is like a really good protective style. So I pretty much just continue that same process. I take a pinch of the wig hair and just pull it underneath my hair using the crochet hook. Alright, so now it's time to go ahead and define the curls, and I'm just going to be using some water first and just spraying it all over my hair. Then I'm going in with a detangling brush and just detangling the hair, which I didn't have any trouble at all. The hair was super soft and easy to comb through. Then I'll be moisturizing the hair using some Lotta Body Style Milk, then going in with their foaming mousse to lock the curls in. I like to go in with a dimming brush just to really define the curls. To me, this really just completes the look. I love doing this method. I just kind of rake through the hair and do like a curling motion once I get to the ends. After I'm all done defining the curls, I just took my diffuser just to speed up the drying process a little bit. I did dry it on a low cool setting. My final step was just to fluff the hair out a little bit. First I took my hands and just kind of fluffed it out, and then I took a wide tooth comb and teased the hair a little bit because I do like big hair. Alright y'all, this is the final look and I am so in love with this hair. The curls came out so beautiful and the quality of the hair is so nice. I didn't have any trouble when I was working with it, detangling it or anything like that. So I think the crochet method turned out really nice. This is my second time trying this method and I will say that it's a lot better than the first time I tried it. It's a super easy protective style, especially if you don't really want to deal with leave out. This is also perfect for like vacations and stuff like that. And again, the hair is from ISEE Hair and this is their VPart Kinky Curly wig in 20 inches. And I have all of the information for this hair down in my description box, so definitely check that out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!